Hi, this is John with WTI, and I love chocolate in all its forms. And this Nesquik chocolate syrup, not too high in sugar or not too high in corn syrup, it's just a great taste for me. So I've used this for many different occasions. I've used this in milkshakes. I've used this with oatmeal. I've used this with pancakes. You can call it. You can almost do it anything. And I know that if you're a kid and you have around you, you should just hide it from them because they're gonna be drinking this like if it's water. But overall, this is a great taste of a chocolate syrup because this actually tastes like a really nice authentic chocolate. It's not too high in sugar and as it's like it has this liquid texture of the syrup. You can just pretty much top this or top any one of your desserts with this, and you're just gonna have a nice quality sugar, not too high in sugar, and the chocolate is pretty much a great flavor. So this was John with Dolly ATI, and that was my point of view.